Cashier. Ang linis pa naman ng ano niya.
Hi guys.
No? Nakita mo ba yung inside?
Oo.
Tapos may ano siya, logbook siya.
Mm.
Welcome to my channel.
Can I get for to? I prefer cash kanto. So, saan may i-withdraw yun? Di ba may ano dyan?
Daan pa tayo ng tumbang sa Midland.
Can we close it? Ay,
Can we read?
i-Porto. Can you give it for Porto, please?
Please.
So, I can register, ano na?
Hindi, siya na ang bahala mag-register dyan.
Ay, ano?
Sa pangalan mo.
Last price.
Or play Roblox.
Okay, go to Baka ano.
Imang ko lang yung
If you're a serious buyer, I can do it. Kanto. Okay.
Reaction.
Cash, okay. Okay, thanks. What time?
Tanong mo siya kung anong oras.
What time? Sabi naman niya
Okay.
what time are you available today? Kang kono.
Mm.
Yay.
7 days naman na niyang So far, okay naman tong mga niya, ratings niya. Highly rated naman siya. Pero mga kapwa rin niya.
Hi guys. I need to upload this. I need to upload this first.
What is your address? Kang kono?
Mm.
You come now. We need to withdraw first. And what is your address? Ano mga si first?
Pre-klase rin ako.
Okay. Yay.
Pinkie Pie, you're a genius. No, I'm not. I'm a chicken.
Wait. Let me see if I had a copyright.
Di pa kasi namin afford yung yung 5K plus. I-swap ko na lang pag kapag may budget na kami.
Dana Pabs, this is your bread. It's yummy.
It's yummy, super yummy na. Halika dito.
Cheese and egg.
I don't want the egg.
It's
Cheese.
yummy. You try it muna before
mean-
you
I don't want the egg.
You try it muna.
Mileage kasi ang importante sa car. Mas maganda ata if well maintained.
Kind of yummy.
Okay din ata. Okay din.
Mom, it's
ata
kind of yummy.
kapag well maintained din.
Mom, it's kind of
Yan,
yummy.
din.
Mom, it's kind of yummy.
Mm. Ano yan? 190 lang, tapos 2,006. Pwede na yan?
So far, okay na rin. Parang okay na din. Okay na din so far sa age niya.
Pinkie Pie, you're a genius.
Okay, let's go back.
Compared dun sa 2008 na ano.
Nasa ano ata, 260.
Lambo Dwayne. Civil Groom. Okay.
Logan Paul.
We'll just inform you kung kana.
Mm.
I inform you once we're on our way.
Dito natin hintayin si Perch.
Oh, it's mango.
Find him behaving intimately.
Nag-floodlight tong April ka na. Hindi naman nag-ano. Your viewers wants to see from you. Your life and this
I haven't seen this trend.
Maganda din.
Okay.
Okay. Practice ako kagabi. Nag-practice ako kagabi. Ang laki kasi ng cardigans.
Yan kay Jude.
Mm.
Okay, we're done. Bye.